Hi, today we're going to be working on solving an arithmetic sequence question. An arithmetic sequence is just a group of numbers that starts, in this case, with the number 7, and then you keep adding another number over and over again to get the next terms of the sequence. So we start with 7, we add 4 to get 11, and then we add 4 again to get 15, and then 4 again to get 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 4 is 27, and we can keep going on for as long as we want. A sequence never really ends. You just keep adding, you can keep adding the number as many times as you like. Each uh, number in a sequence is called a term. So this is the first term, 11 is the second term, 15 is the third term, and so on. We use the terminology T1 to equal 7 to describe each term. So T1 means the first term is 7, and in the same way, T2 is equal to 11, and T3 is equal to 15, and so on. What this question is asking is they want us to find what the 25th term is. Now, I picked the number 20, the 25th term, but it could be any term. It could be the 100th term, the 1000th term, the 5000th term, or even the 2 millionth term. 25 is a relatively small number, so some of you might be thinking, well, we could just keep adding 4 over and over until we've gotten 25 terms written down, and whichever the 25th term is, that's going to be the answer. Now, yes, we could do it that way, but we need a better way of working than that. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the following formula. So let me write the formula down right away and explain what the formula means. Here's the formula. Tn equals a plus d bracket n minus 1. Now this formula has four things in it, 4 terms. It's got this term Tn, a, d, and n. Let me explain what each of those letters are. Let me start with a and d and n and Tn. A is the first term of the sequence, also known as T1. So in this example, A would be 7. D is what's called the common difference. Difference means when you subtract 2 numbers, the answer you get. So in this example, if you take any number and you subtract the previous number, so for example, if you go 11 minus 7, you get 4. If you go 15 minus 11, you also get 4. 19 minus 15, you get 4 again, and then 27 minus 23 is 4. Any number in this sequence, subtract the previous number, will always give you 4. That's why it's called common. Common means the same all the time, right? No matter which 2 numbers you pick, if you subtract one by its previous number, you will always get 4. And D stands for difference. Difference is the answer you get when you subtract one number from another. N is the position of the term. And Tn is the term itself, the term in position n, whatever n is. So in other words, a lot of people get n and Tn confused. Let me just clarify what that is. So let's say if we take the number 19, the number 19 is in the 4th position. 7 is the first term, then 11, 15 is the third term, and 19 is the 4th term. So the n for 19 is 4. The actual position, the actual term itself, T4, is the number 19. Right? So the n refers to the position number 4, and T refers to the actual number that you see in the sequence, the number 19. So in our example, let's take a look at the 4 letters that make up this equation. And hopefully we'll know 3 of them, and the 3 that we know we can plug into the equation and solve to get this thing we don't know. The first number in this sequence is 7. The D, or the common difference, the number you get when you subtract any term in the sequence minus its previous term. For example, 19 minus 15 is 4. The n we're looking for, the position of the term we're looking for, that's right here in the question. We're looking for the position for the term at position number 25. So n is 25, and the term is the thing we don't know. So I'll just put an empty box there to signify that that's the item that we're looking for. That's the term that we're looking for. All we have to do now is write the formula out again. Let me write it over here. Tn equals a plus d bracket n minus 1. Now let's plug in all the terms we know, the values we know into the terms, and solve the thing we don't know. We don't know what Tn is, but we know that n itself is 25. So we're looking for the 25th term is equal to a, which is 7, plus d, which is 4, bracket, and n is 25. So I'll plug 25 in here. We're going to keep solving or trying to evaluate this this quantity. The plus has to wait because we have to do what's in brackets first due to order of operations. 25 minus 1 is 24. We still can't add until we've done the multiplication. 4 multiplied by 24 is 96. And finally, 7 plus 96 is 103. And that's our answer. If we keep adding 4 over and over again until we get to the 25th term, that 25th term would be 103. And that's the answer to this this question. Hope that helps. And if you found the explanation in this video helpful, please click the like button. It would really help the channel and help us to continue to bring you free videos that explain in detail how to answer the math questions that you need help with. And also click the subscribe button too, because subscribers get to send in their questions to us. If it's not a question that we've already covered, we may create a video on our channel with the solution to your question or a similar question if there are copyright and liability issues. So please subscribe and send us your question to solve right now. It's like having your own personal math tutor for free. And you can send your questions in the comments or through our website. We've included a link in the description below where you can send us a picture of your question. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.